In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off iPhone lockdown mode. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there scroll down for a bit and get into privacy and security. And here scroll down to the very bottom. When it says lockdown mode, just hit on it, and here you can check what lockdown mode is. When your iPhone is in lockdown mode, it will not function as it typically does. Apps, websites and features will be strictly limited for security and some experiences will be completely unavailable. And to enable that mode, all you have to do is hit on turn on lockdown mode. There scroll down, hit on turn on lockdown mode and hit there at turn on and restart. There you have to enter your passcode and wait until your phone is restarted. And now, to disable lockdown mode, all I have to do is go into settings, there hit on privacy and security, scroll down to the very bottom, hit on lockdown mode and there select turn off lockdown mode and then hit on turn off and restart and enter my passcode to confirm it. And that's it. Now I turned off lockdown mode on my device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.